Hello, we're doing this again, and yeah, it's the U.S. Western old Toby cow farm thing. Yeah, okay, I'm stupid. All right, no snowplow this time because I'm a tram engine. I'm a rail engine, and we're gonna be watching season 7. Let's go.
Annie and Clarabelle felt insulted.
How dare she say we'll do?
Emily coming down the line, pulling Annie and Clarabelle. Hello, Thomas, Emily called. But Thomas,
what the f are you doing with my coaches? Oh no! Title character immunity off. Frick.
Do it right.
There it goes again. Do it right. From morning to night. Keep your funnel out of our quarry. No.
Wrong.
Oh, time to kill. Oh no! Oh no! Ha! You suck.
What's the matter with you, Henry? Thomas asked.
My boiler's grumbling.
Maybe it's grumbling at you.
Dang, Thomas!
Instead blew mud all over Gordon.
Silly! Show off! That slimy old tub! Shiny and clean, shiny and clean! Watch out, James! Puff! Oh!
It's beautiful.
I told you to be a piece of cake! Miss, I think there's like a frog in your throat.
With many cakes in it, I'm sure.
Oh no, oh no! Oh!
Flashed fruit flew everywhere.
Oh dear!
Where he was going.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh! Boom!
All the flour was ruined.
Oh no!
Percy nervously.
Scared the monster might get ya.
Teased Douglas.
He might.
Said Donald.
There's no monster. There is two. There is not. There is two. There is not. Is two. Pull my buffers. Be careful.
Those be dark clouds, matey, whistled Thomas. There'll be a fierce storm on the way, Captain.
How dare you? Yo ho ho, when the bucket of prawns and the tailor spins and the what the heck? I'm a Great Western engine. I should have to shiver. Just an observation, Mr. Oliver. Snow is magical. Oh. Is there a problem, Mr. Oliver? Yeah, there is. Oh. Well, that could have been a little smoother. Death! Woo, 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 woo. Ah! He's falling in the water. Slow down, slow down. I can't. Look out!
What's the longest train you've ever pulled?
Have you ever worked Marseille?
Have you ever crashed?
Please shut up. Hello. Are you happy to be here? No. Ooh. Vegetables? Huh. I'm going to be carrying passengers. A vegetable bus? Man, that's not such a bad idea. Thanks, woman.
Flying through the sky, he
Oh.
Well, flatten my funnel so horses can fly after all.
I want to get out.
Demanded Lady Hat.
Not now, dear.
Said Sir Toby.
My hat is ruined.
Cried Lady Hat.
So is mine. Ah, I can't see.
He whistled loudly to his drivers. Gordon was secretly but he didn't think it was dignified to say so. Silly Gordon.
What did you just say, narrator?
Are you
You suck. What?
was humming quietly.
Suck it. This is Spencer. He's the fastest engine in the world. I mean, he's not wrong. Yes.
Snapped Spencer.
I must have a leaky tank. Perhaps.
The driver applied the brakes.
Careful. Careful.
Soon they were coupled
Oh yeah, I'm about to save the day.
Hold on, said Rusty.
Oh.
Shouted Duncan.
Careful. 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 Oh. Good morning. Slap. It's the fat hat. But I still won the race, motherfreaker. Mother. That was season 7. That was pretty fun. So, oh god, this is 5 minutes long. Bye.